Hi guys, I'm James from Quality Craftsmen. I recently completed a bathroom install that sort of touched me and as well touched the client's life. I did a bathroom install for Gloria. She was about 28, 29 years old. I myself am not far from that, so it was just sort of touching that I could come into her life, improve her space for her, and make her feel good, and also, more importantly, make her become more independent for herself. While we were there, we upgraded the plumbing inside the house behind the walls, which really needed it. Her bathroom by itself was not the prettiest, but once we left, it was absolutely gorgeous. After the project was completed, the construction to me is sort of something special because when you get into a job, you're leaving your mark on a person's house, and what you touch is going to be there forever. So when you're installing it, you want to take your pride, your time, your care, everything, and do it right. And after leaving this job, it just sort of made me grateful that I have my 2 hands and 2 feet, and I'm able to provide a service for people that will really help them improve their lives in places, and more importantly, you're investing money into your house or your place that you live. And, I'm James Roberts, and I'm proud to be with Quality Craftsmen.